Hello, welcome to your latest update from the Met Office. Yes, more rain to come, both through the night and on Tuesday. One or two exceptions. Parts of Scotland will stay dry. Here, under clear skies, it'll be quite a cold night. Way out in the Atlantic, this is Hurricane Lorenzo, a long way from the UK. And it is drifting northwards towards the Azores, potentially bringing some impacts there. And it may just interfere with our weather later this week, but there's still quite a bit of uncertainty about that. Ahead of it, though, there's plenty of cloud and rain to talk about already. This swirl of clouds been spreading its way in during the course of Monday. Still some heavy pulses of rain, particularly over parts of Wales, the Midlands drifting into northern England, East Anglia and the southeast having a very wet evening too. That rain edges into southern Scotland and Northern Ireland, where it kind of grinds to a halt through the early hours. Further south, it turns a bit drier, but there will be a whole host of showers coming in and a fairly brisk wind. At the north, still some heavy showers in the far north of Scotland, particularly Shetland. But it's here, as I said at the start, it will be a cold night. Such a contrast in temperatures across the far north through sheltered glens. There could be a touch of frost. In the south, it's a mild night. Maybe misty and murky at times as well. Temperatures holding up at 14 or 15 degrees Celsius. Into Tuesday's weather, and it's a bit of a three-way split, really. Yes, a cold start in Scotland, but there should be some sunshine here. Some rain in the far south of Scotland, across Northern Ireland, and particularly Northern England. Northeast England likely to stay pretty dull, damp and cold all day, with the wind coming in from the North Sea. Further south, there'll be some sunny spells, but as you can see, a whole raft of heavy showers breaking out here and there. In the south, though, when the sun does pop out, that's where we'll see the top temperatures. We could get up to 18, maybe 19 Celsius. Obviously, it'll be cooler when the showers come along. This central zone where it stays dull will be 12 or 13 at best and feeling colder than that. Further north, well, we'll see some sunshine lifting the temperatures, but only to 10 to 12 degrees. Colder air here, with the winds coming in from the north, bringing in those showers across Shetland and northern parts of the mainland of Scotland. Those showers will keep going through the evening, and the showers in the south will keep going as well. There is a weather warning in force for those downpours through much of Tuesday. There's been a lot of rain recently. There'll be a lot of spray and surface water where these downpours occur. Not great conditions out on the roads through the rush hour in particular. The downpours will steadily start to ease, and the patchy rain will head away from northern England as well. So some clearer skies developing here. Overall, turning dry, clear and cold as we go into Wednesday morning. We'll keep a brisk breeze and a few showers on the eastern coast, but elsewhere, under those clear skies, the cold air that's across Scotland through Monday nights will become much more widespread on Tuesday nights, with a greater chance of seeing a touch of frost, a hint of blue there on the chart. Certainly rural areas from northern England northwards, we will get down close to freezing, but look at towns and cities across the south, well down into single figures. That's a colder start than we've been used to on Wednesday morning, but overall, Wednesday's looking like a fine day. If you're after some sunshine this week, Wednesday is a good bet. There'll still be showers in northern and eastern Scotland, maybe the odd one across East Anglia, and even further west, a small chance of a shower. But for most places, Wednesday's dry and bright. Chilly, however, with temperatures struggling a little bit, feeling really quite cold at times on the east coast with a brisk wind here. Elsewhere, we'll struggle to get into the teens. So a fresh day on Wednesday. Behind me, you'll notice, though, there's some cloud starting to gather, and that is because what was Hurricane Lorenzo will be moving closer towards the UK. Now, as it pushes northwards on Wednesday and Thursday, it will no longer be a hurricane. It will change. It'll still pack a punch, though, with a lot of isobars in the chart and bring more heavy rain. But there is a lot of uncertainty about the track. It could drift away from the UK. It could drift across the north, or it could drive across the south. Not unusual to have this much uncertainty about an ex-storm like this, so it's certainly one to keep an eye on. We'll be keeping you very much updated across our social media channels through Twitter, Facebook, and of course there's always more on YouTube.